We all know the comment linked followed by an automated DM, but did you know you can build so much more and earn money sharing your automations with your community? Hi, I'm Etienne, the co-founder of Inrō, and in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to walk you through Inrō capabilities and our partner program. We'll build your classic everyday comment to DM automation under a minute. Then I'll show you how to launch powerful one-click DM campaigns and share your flows as a template, and even plug into our API integrations to build advanced use cases. So let's build a comment to DM simple flow. Let's select a recent post. Set the trigger with keywords, say VIP, and write a playful comment reply. So check your DMs. I can tweak the reply ratio or let AI vary the wording so it never feels robotic. Before sharing the resource, I can ask them to follow or collect an email, and I can add a tracked link and a 2-hour follow-up, or how many hours you'd like, if they don't click. So that's basically your baseline engine, and it's live under a minute. Each engager from that flow gets auto-tagged in the CRM for easy segmenting, and you can link and export everything into the tools you already use. But here is where Inrō is different. DM campaigns. With one click, you can mass DM thousands of people in one go and still be compliant with Instagram community rules. So you select who you want to DM and then build your flow. A flow is a sequence of different steps or different messages and can be pretty advanced with voice note, for instance, or logic, AI integration. Pretty simple. Once you have built your flow, you can just send it or save it or schedule it. But here is the fun part. When I click share, it generates a link for this flow. If you add your referral code, post it to your community, newsletter, or course, when someone clones it and sign up through your link, you get paid. Simple. In settings and then referral program, you'll see real-time tracking of signups, payouts, and referred users. Payouts are fast, monthly, and there is no cap in the money you can make. If you build tools or run complex stacks, plug into Make, Shopify, Stripe, and so on, or use our private API to trigger flows from any system. It's perfect for agencies, courses, or if you sell your automation as a product. So, if you're already crafting growth playbook, Inrō gives you the fastest Instagram native automation and a way to monetize your expertise by sharing templates your audience can use instantly. So just create an account here. You can start for free today, build one flow, share it as a template, and start earning from the signups you drive. And if you want to become an exclusive Inrō partner program with perks like higher commission, lifetime free access, early features, a creator kit, and more, then just fill out the form or DM us on Instagram and see you on the other side.